I was looking for something to monitor my PC's stats when I'm busy working or playing. But I also needed it to help me take action based on those stats. So I made this. It shows my PC stats such as CPU, GPU, and RAM usage, and network speeds, and it lets me do things on my computer based on those stats. So if you want to make something like this for yourself, watch till the end. We are using the LilyGO T-Keyboard S3 Pro for this build, but it's not just another macro pad. Each button is also an LCD screen. It even has some RGB LEDs. And it runs on an ESP32S3, so it can be easily coded using the Arduino IDE. The project link is in the description. Download the repo and open the Arduino project. To run the project, you will need a few libraries. These are also included in the downloaded folder. Copy everything inside the libraries folder into your Arduino libraries folder. Next, all you need to do is change the Wi-Fi name and password here and upload it. Once it is connected to the network, you will see the IP address on the screen. Next, we need the computer to talk to the device. For this, I have made a little Python app. Before we run the Python script, you will obviously need to have Python installed. So install Python if you don't have it already. And we will also need the psutil library. You can install it by running pip install psutil command. Once that is installed, run the Python script. It should be in the downloaded project folder. Here, enter the IP address shown on the display. And the port is 5000 unless you changed it in the code. Click on Start. And the display should start updating. We are using Wi-Fi to send the stats because, since it acts as a keyboard over USB, it cannot receive the stats over USB serial. Let's take a closer look at the display. It has this calm breathing effect when all the stats are within a safe range. But once it reaches a certain threshold, it will alert me by flashing red. And the respective button will also turn red. So if the CPU is running over 90%, I get alerted. And then, I can press on the button and it will open the task manager, so I can find the app or process that's hogging my CPU. Next, we have the GPU usage, and pressing this one will restart the graphics driver. The next one is RAM usage, and pressing this button will open the resource monitor. The last one is network usage, and pressing this will quickly turn my Wi-Fi connection off and on. These actions are easily customizable in the Arduino code. If you see here, we are opening the task manager by sending a sequence of key presses, Control, Shift, and Escape, which is the shortcut for task manager. And to open the resource monitor, we open the run dialog and send the word for resource monitor, which is resmon. Similarly, you can create your own actions or shortcuts. There are also a bunch of other things that you can customize, like the background colors or text colors. They're all in the section here. And the device has magnetic connectors on all the sides, which makes it easy to just snap it on to your keyboard if it is metallic, like mine, or even your CPU. So there you go, a completely customizable PC hardware monitor that also lets you take action. Comment if you're going to make something like this, and keep making.